As an educational representative for the Thompson School District in Loveland, Colorado, I visit over a dozen schools every week. This gives me a unique perspective as to the everyday trials and triumphs of the teachers in those schools. I'm Drew Holmes, owner of Boomer Music Company. Come with me as I show you the view from the road.
Well, greetings and welcome to the View from the Road. The first full week of school is behind us. And what that means is that a lot of school music programs have managed to go over expectations, procedures, things like that for in-class rehearsal. And now it's time to actually start with the instruments and start making music. Been around to a bunch of schools already today, got a bunch more to do. And it's really exciting to see the instruments laid out there in lockers that are just ready for the kids to get them and get to learning. Update on our repair shop. We are still behind. Illness did not help, and we were kind of slammed with repairs, as we always expect this time of year, and we do the best that we can. So I know we're at least a couple weeks out. So if you've got repairs that are not critical to the playability of the instrument, I would urge you to get by for now if you can, and then we'd be happy to fix them when we can get to them later. But dropping off your instrument now will get you a spot online. That's not a big deal. But it's going to be a couple of weeks before it's ready, and we don't want kids to be without horns. So I know we had a customer that came in that had a slide lock on a trombone that wasn't exactly right, but it was functional. And I told them, just come back in a few weeks, and we will be happy to take care of that. And they were thrilled to do that. So just budget out the time. Let's plan ahead as much as we can, and we'll try to take the stress off the shop. They're doing the best they can as fast as they can. Something really, really cool that happened today. I had a teacher. I usually load up the van on Monday afternoons because this is Tuesday when I'm out on the road, and then I get home, pick up Tim from school and all that kind of stuff. Well, I had a teacher who, after I'd already left, sent a message saying, hey, I need some reeds. Normally that would warrant then a trip back to the store, and I'm in Loveland, and then go back to Fort Collins, make a round trip. It's not really feasible to do that. So then there's a time delay in getting this stuff, and I really don't like doing that. Well, I carry a toolbox in the van that has all kinds of cool stuff in it. Just a small assemblage of oils and greases, shoulder rests, string mutes, extra strings, swabs, those kinds of cleaning supplies, sanitizing spray, just the normal kind of everyday stuff, ligatures. Included in that is reeds, and these are tenor sax reeds that we needed. Well, I happen to have a box in the van, so I was able to deliver that to her. I'm going to generate the invoice and email that, and it's a seamless transition. So rather than having to wait a couple of days or a week or whatever it is to get the stuff to the teacher, I was able to do that instantaneously and respond, and I'm just super excited that I was able to do that because the plan worked. So keep that in mind. If I'm visiting your school and you've got kind of a normal thing and you know that I'm already out on the road, shoot me a text, shoot me an email, let me know what you need. I might actually already have it in the van. So I'm just glad that plan worked out. To quote Hannibal from the A-Team, I love it when a plan comes together. That's your view from the road. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below. Let me know what you think, what you want to see. As always, like, share, subscribe, and we will catch up with you next time.
Thank you for riding along and seeing the view from the road. If you liked this video, please share it with a friend. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, and you will never miss a new video. I'm Drew Holmes, owner of Boomer Music Company and educational representative for the Thompson School District in Loveland, Colorado. Thanks for watching.